Hi guys, so we have a bunch of new Hot Wheels guys to unbox. So we have like 7 cars, and also there's like this Hot Wheels 2 cars pack guys. Like yeah, so this is all the Hot Wheels cars I'm gonna unbox today. So before I do that, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss a video when I upload, and turn on post notifications so you won't miss a video when I upload. Now let's first unbox the Hot Wheels Boom car. Alright guys, so this is the Hot Wheels Boom car already unboxed. So here it is. Can't really move this, I thought you can. There it is, it's called the Boom car. So this was the Boom car guys. Now let's unbox the Tesla Cyberquad. So this is the Tesla Cyberquad guys. Has nothing on it, it doesn't have the name. But don't worry, I know what it is anyways guys. But it does have the Hot Wheels logo, but it doesn't say like the words Hot Wheels. So this was the Hot Wheels Tesla Cyberquad. Now let's unbox the Hot Wheels Mickey Mouse Disney Steamboat. So this is the Disney Steamboat guys. Oh yeah, you can move this. I didn't know you could move this guys. You have a little flag here. So this is the Disney Steamboat. Oh, it moves. This is cool. Wait, hold on. Even though this doesn't have wheels, this is still a cool car. It does this, probably. So this was the Disney Steamboat guys. Now let's unbox this brand new Hot Wheels 2 cars pack. So here are the 2 cars guys. So let me show you guys this car first. Let me see what's it called. Oh, this is a Spanish word. El segundo copy. I can't read that guys. This is a Spanish word. But I'll translate it for you in the comments. I know Spanish guys, so let me show you guys this car, all the details. So this is the El Segundo car guys. So now let's just leave this on the side. And I'll show you guys this car. What is this called? Oh, the 32 Ford. So this was the 32 Ford, and this was the both cars. Now let's unbox the Hot Wheels Shelby Cobra Daytona copy, if I said that correctly. So this is it. It says golf on it right there. The number 3. So this was the Shelby Cobra, guys. So this is the last car. This is called the Ford Model A Custom 31, which I'm going to unbox right now. So this is the last car, guys. So number 43. The Ford Model A Custom 31. And this was the last car. And so I guess this is the end of the video. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you won't miss a video when I upload. Now I'll see you guys in the next video.